Today we're diving into a deep review of the 2025 Jaguar SS 100, a car that brings a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and design. This new model is a tribute to Jaguar's legacy, infused with modern technology and classic styling. Let's start with the exterior, where the SS 100 maintains a timeless yet futuristic look. The front grille is bold and commanding, with sleek LED headlights that wrap around the curves of the car. The bodywork is sculpted with precision, giving it a low, aggressive stance. Jaguar has used lightweight, high-strength materials in the construction, ensuring both strength and agility, and the paintwork is flawless, with options for various metallic finishes that pop in the sunlight. The car sits on 20-inch alloy wheels, designed for both performance and style. The aerodynamics have been refined for maximum performance, with subtle rear spoilers and vents integrated into the bodywork to manage airflow. Jaguar's attention to detail is clear in every curve and crease, giving the SS 100 an unmistakable road presence. Inside, the cabin of the 2025 Jaguar SS 100 exudes luxury. The leather upholstery is supple, with the option to choose from a variety of premium finishes including high-grade leather, alcantara, and wood veneer accents that add a touch of classic elegance. The seats are not only comfortable but also highly adjustable, ensuring you're in the perfect position for both daily drives and spirited road outings. The technology inside is cutting-edge, with a massive touchscreen interface that controls everything from climate settings to navigation. Jaguar's infotainment system is intuitive, with seamless smartphone integration, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For the audiophiles, there's an optional premium sound system that brings concert hall sound to the cabin. The driving position is low and sporty, with a steering wheel that feels solid in your hands, giving you full control over the car's precision steering. Visibility is excellent thanks to slim window pillars and a well-designed dashboard that doesn't obstruct your view. The SS 100 also comes with a range of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system to make parking and maneuvering easier than ever. Performance is where this Jaguar truly shines. Under the hood, the 2025 SS 100 is powered by a potent V8 engine that delivers an impressive 500 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds. The engine has been fine-tuned for both power and efficiency, offering a thrilling driving experience whether you're on a winding back road or cruising down the highway. Jaguar has also upgraded the suspension with an adaptive system that adjusts to driving conditions, ensuring a smooth ride even in more challenging environments. The car handles with precision, hugging curves and providing confidence in tight corners. For those seeking even more power, there's a high-performance variant with a 600 horsepower engine that offers even quicker acceleration and top-end speed, making it a true contender in the luxury sports car market. The SS 100's braking system is just as impressive, with carbon ceramic discs that offer exceptional stopping power even at high speeds. Now, when it comes to pricing, the 2025 Jaguar SS 100 comes in at a premium. The base model starts around $125,000, which includes all the high-end features, but for those looking for the performance package or additional customization options, the price can easily climb to around $150,000 or more. Make it a sustainable hobby, or think of climbing Bayuga. While it's not a car for everyone, it's clear that the SS 100 offers a level of refinement, performance, and luxury that's hard to match in its class. In conclusion, the 2025 Jaguar SS 100 is a remarkable vehicle that blends the best of Jaguar's heritage with cutting-edge technology and performance. Whether you're looking for a car that makes a statement or one that delivers an exhilarating driving experience, the SS 100 checks all the boxes. With its stunning design, high-performance capabilities, and luxurious interior, it's a true masterpiece in the world of modern luxury sports cars.